We have launched a brand new mobile phone repair tool, RF-FO19. It can rotate 360 degrees, allowing you to observe and repair your phone from any angle, whether it's in front, behind, or on the side. You can easily grasp it. At the same time, it can also be adjusted up and down to ensure that you find the most suitable height, making the operation more comfortable and precise. In addition, the microscope bracket also has the characteristic of rolling back and forth, enable you to adjust the angle of your phone in order to better view and handle minor issues. And regardless of the size of your phone, it is easy to adjust the length of the bracket in the narrow space on the left and right. It also has 4 holes for adjusting the length. Ensure stability and adaptability in order to facilitate your maintenance work. We have also specially designed a screwdriver hole position. You can place the screwdriver on the bracket at any time to ensure that the tools are complete and readily available. The design of this microscope bracket is simple and practical. Whether you are a professional or a beginner, it will provide great convenience and accuracy for your maintenance work. Quickly have this microscope stand to make phone maintenance easy and efficient. Don't hesitate anymore, take action.